Hello again, friends. This is Groovy for Yarcrypto.com, and this is another morning update for you guys on the markets. So, starting out with BTC daily time frame, we haven't been given so much to work on. We have had a few moves on the market, but we still have the same areas to watch out for. So, this 42K level resistance from this point right here and this point right here. I expect us to actually retest this level. So this is something major for us to watch out for. And we had this do or die kind of support level from all the way back here as well. This would be the 28K level. And this kind of middle range support right here at the 32, 33K level. So right now we are trading in this between this range of this upper support and this middle support right here. Probably gonna see another retest of this level. Some EMAs to watch out for on the daily time frame. First, the 50 EMA. Right now it's at 46K. So if we are able to actually reclaim the 50 EMA on the daily time frame, this would be very, very, very bullish for Bitcoin, because as you can see, we have been using it as support all the way on the bull market. So we actually lost it. If we reclaim it, that's bullish. Another EMA that you guys can watch is the 21 EMA. So the 21 EMA is kind of a early indicator as well for the 50 EMA. So both are very important. Right now, 21 EMA is at 37K. Again, this has been acting as a very good support. We kind of tend to drop below it a little bit sometimes, but this can be a very good indication for a bullish trend as well. So that's something else for you guys to watch out. Moving on to the 4-hour, we have the same areas, kind of zoomed in a little bit more. So not much has changed as well. EMAs to watch on the 4-hour time frame, the same thing. 50 EMA. You see that we have on the 4-hour time frame a resistance in form of the 50 EMA. So this has been acting as resistance all the way back from the 12th of May. So if we can actually reclaim the 50 EMA on the 4-hour as well and retest it as support, this would be very, very bullish as well for BTC. So we are keeping a very close eye on this 50 EMA on the 4-hour as well. Another EMA very relevant is the 200 EMA for the 4-hour time frame. So this would be all the way up here at 43K. So I expect it to actually drop a little bit more in the next couple days, or even consolidate sideways. As you can see, the 200 is another very good support on bull markets. So if we actually can reclaim it as support, this would be very, very bullish as well. Moving on to Ethereum, 4-hour time frame. As we talked about, we had the 50 EMA on the 4-hour, broke above it, kind of retested it as support, and now we are trading between this range right here. I expect us to actually test this upper resistance range. If we are able to make it support, this would be a very, very good sign for Ethereum, and this would be a very good place for a long position or even a spot buy for Ethereum. Moving on to the 200 EMA for Ethereum, we had the 200 EMA acting as resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Right now, the 2810 level is the 200 EMA. again, this is very, very relevant for Ethereum. And if we can actually reclaim this level, as you can see, we lost it only at the 18th of May, after having it as support all the way back from March. So this would be a very, very, very bullish thing for Ethereum as well, if we can actually reclaim the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. So yeah, upper resistance level 3K, 2.9K, mid-range support 2150, something like that. Bottom do or die last resort support level 1850, something like that. Moving on to ADA now. So ADA, we were watching this kind of symmetrical triangle from a few days ago. You could say that we actually broke out of the pattern. So if you look right here, we could say that this is a breakout. But the only concern I have is the volume for this breakout. We had this volume spike right here, but we have to be careful when looking at this pattern and actually interpreting it as a actual breakout. We could also make another case for ADA and actually look at the horizontal resistance and support levels. So for support level, we have this range that we had a few relevant levels both here, and all in this area right here. And then we had this support right here as well, and a bounce right here as well. So this is $1.55, and the upper resistance level, we had a bunch of actual bounces as well and reactions. So this is the $1.75 level. So this is a major area to watch for ADA. If we reclaim it, this would be both a very good trade for spot and futures as well. So keep an eye on that. EMAs on the 4-hour for ADA, 50 EMA. Differently from BTC, we also reclaimed the 50 EMA on the 4-hour for ADA. So this is now support. So this is looking a little more bullish for ADA and Ethereum as well. If you look at the 200 EMA for ADA, also reclaimed it. Still haven't tested it as support as of yet, but I would say this is very bullish, and I expect us to actually reclaim this upper range right here and continue with our bullish momentum. So aside from that, the market is not really moving that much. It's basically moving with BTC. So BTC is kind of dictating the pace a little bit. If we have any major move with BTC, Ethereum, or any relevant altcoin, I'll let you guys know. If you guys want to see more of our content, you can access Yarcrypto.com. We also have our Discord community. If you are interested in live TA and speaking to very nice people about crypto, we have a very good community being built over there. So if that interests you, you can also check out that. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been Groovy for Yarcrypto.com, and bye bye.